Hey guys, welcome back to Aroro Travels Vlogs. So it's been a long time I never do any video. So today I'm in the Midvalley KL. So it so happened I just passing by, I saw an expo is going on over here. So without further ado, let's go guys and check it out. So guys, this is inside the expo, as you can see now. So the owner, they will bring their pet along with them. And then you can see so many stalls. They are selling the accessories for your pet. Hi Bakis. Hi. Accessories for cats. They are selling like the clothing. They have shirt, all the accessories. Okay, there is one booth, over here in the expo. Cat for sale, like inside the cage. How much is the cat? 800. 800. What species of this cat? Just normal cat lah. Is it a Siamese cat or what? Oh, so I suppose this is a Siamese cat. And he's sleeping now. He's sleeping so tight. Huh?
It's a Siamese cat actually.
Oh, Siamese cat, huh?
Yes, this is 3 months old.
3 months old lah?
Yes.
Candy with the new gown. Bought it just now. You see along the way, you see a lot of visitors around. They're touching the cats, the dogs. It's depending on what pets do you like. You can, roaming around here and look at all the your favorite pet. You see now this is the cat clothes. So nice. It's so variety of clothes. So this is the cat food. They're also selling at this booth. It's so happening here for those animal lovers. You can come here at the Midvalley, but unfortunately today is the last day for this expo. The scenario inside the expo.
Oh, my cat will actually destroy that.
So this is what the expo all about. Look at the parrots. Wow. Visitors are allowed feeding the parrots, as you can see in the video. And just for your information, there is also a big cat competitions on today, and I didn't have much time to cover all of them. I'm so sorry about that because I got something important to do and I got to go back to Penang latest by tonight. Maybe next time, guys. So until then, see you again in my next video. Peace, love, and bye-bye.